I love you without knowing how and when or from where. I love you straightforwardly, without complexities or pride. I love you because I know no other way than this. So close that your hand on my chest is my hand. So close that when you close your eyes, you fall asleep. You've never looked at a woman and been totally vulnerable. Known someone that could level you with her eyes.